Carry money. This one pass carry money. This one, if I say one carry me to money ritual. If I say my one carry me to money ritual. Ritual. Hey, go. I tell you, enter your house. Enter for one room. Now you get something where they for wall where they white. You don't put that thing on. Everywhere begin cold.
Now AC.
AC?
Yeah.
Get another one waiting for ceiling. But you fear.
Ceiling fan.
Yeah. Get another one wait stand. But you fear.
Now standing fan. Yes, now.
You don't be like Sabi Mumu.
You now village man.
You see what's happening? Everywhere come there. Cool. That seems like they inside freezer. Why?
You never experienced that.
No.
You now village man.
And I go on. Enter inside. Somewhere where they pack food, Inside store. Inside there come day. Until daybreak. As you see me so. Now Jibu, where they go? I get one of my village brother when they drive bus for Jibu. If I see him, I go tell him everything. Say my guy won't carry me to money ritual. I say won't carry me to money ritual. Hey, that my brother when they drive bus, when they go alone. I see this so now. No, where they go? That was Zero's boss. He go tell me make a lie down for ground. I go lie down until I get you. As you see me, I don't get fishing for transportation money. I don't get 1 naira for transport. I don't go. No, where they go so. Alam. I say I don't go. I don't go. Alam. I don't go. They can never use me for money ritual. I forbid it to Jesus. God forbid. No fear.
Majori hupu.